Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076, and our email ID is saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join as a student to our institution and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Saurav's classes. Like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. uh, like you are as you are preparing for GLET, so you can join our institution to our new GLET batch. And and this question is a previous year question of the GLET 2024, and the question is telling us that for the matrix A 1034 minus 15206, which of the following is correct? Okay, so there are four options here. So so they are asking about the rank of the matrix A. Okay, so what can be done here? So if we take this thing, that means let us take this pen. Okay. So they gave that our A is equals to 1034 minus 15 and 206. Okay. So if we can, so if we apply one elementary row operation, that is R3 minus 2 R1, then what we will get? So we will multiply 2 with the row 1, then we will subtract from row 3. So we will get 1034 minus 15, and that will be 000. Okay. So after that we can do R2 minus 4 R1. Then what we will get? 103, and that will be 0. That will be minus 1, and that will be 5 minus 12. So that will be minus 7000. So we can see that the pivotal positions are non-zero for only these two rows, and this row the pivotal position is 0. So the rank of matrix A will be what? So the rank of matrix A will be our 2, as there are two non-zero pivotal positions in this 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. So the correct answer of this question will be what? So that is our rank 2. Okay. So our correct answer of this question will be our option C. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any other queries or doubts or anything, so you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Soros's classes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.